She looked like she died. Are you breathing? Erica! Erica! Do the earthworm. Just do it. Just do Earthworm! Earthworm! Watch your earthworm. Just do it one time. Just do it once. Ready? The broadcast tower high above. Earthworm. Now tell us what you do at night. She turns into a human earthworm.
And I go to find my nutrients.
No, make nutrients for the next day.
Make nutrients.